It's elephant feeding time. In the beginning, everything was connected. Humans, nature, and animals lived together in a beautiful balance. Now I'm exploring Thailand to find this special bond again. Here, forests are full of life, mountains watch over us, and rivers flow, giving life to all they touch. Over time, we lost our close connection with nature, but we can feel it calling us back. In Thailand, I'm learning to live with the earth and its creatures again. Come with me on this adventure. Let's rediscover how to live in harmony with the world around us. It's a journey back to the simple, powerful connection we all share with nature. We're putting on the Thai traditional outfits. How do they look? I think I could pull this off. Are you ready to feed the elephants?
At me. Her name Moyo. Moyo, the mother, 30 years old. And the baby is 10 months old. 10 months old. Moyo, you give this food. She cannot move. You move like this. And the baby, her name is Mali. Mali. Mali is a naughty girl. Bon. You put in the mouth. Send up their weight per day.
Elephants, the gentle giants of the earth, are among nature's most fascinating creatures. In Thailand, these majestic beings play a vital role in the ecosystem and culture. An elephant's memory is incredible, allowing them to remember friends and routes for years. They communicate through vibrations detected by their sensitive feet and show empathy, caring for their wounded or grieving companions. Sadly, they face threats from habitat loss and poaching. By understanding and respecting these intelligent animals, we can help ensure they thrive for generations to come, maintaining the delicate balance of our shared world. It's so sad to say that the elephant population in Asia is dwindling. The numbers are decreasing. From 100 years ago, it was about 100,000 elephants. Now it's half that, 50,000 elephants in Asia in total.
Her name is Phá Sai. Phá Sai. Phá Sai. Phá Sai. She's 14 years old. 14.
What do you think about the elephants so far?
The elephants are super chill, and like, just look at them. They're all hungry. They eat so much food. They eat more than me, and I eat a lot. You could probably testify I eat a lot, and these elephants eat more. These elephants that we just fed are incredibly larger than the first one, and I just found out that they are 50 years old. These elephants are 20 years older than me. Walking with these big elephants, I felt something new and amazing. It made me feel strong and like I was part of nature. At first, I was a bit scared of getting stepped on by their huge feet, but soon I realized that we were meant to walk together and the fear went away. I still watched my steps carefully though. Being so close to these friendly giants showed me how we're all connected in the world of nature. It's time to take a bath. It felt so natural just walking with the elephants and getting to bathe them and swim with them. What an experience. And this just reminds me that, you know, we were made here to live with animals and coexist with them by our side. After saying goodbye to the elephants, we head to Doi Inthanon National Park. the highest spot in Thailand. Here, we're greeted by stunning waterfalls. These aren't just streams of water, they're powerful displays of nature's strength. Watching the water crash down, you can't help but feel the force and beauty of nature at work. It's like the waterfalls are showing us how nature pushes through and stands strong no matter what. This strong nature reminds us that we can also be strong when we face tough times. Just like the water keeps flowing, we can keep going too.
I am soaked. This waterfall is so strong and powerful. Look at this, nature's beauty up close and personal. And just a little while ago, there was a rainbow right underneath the waterfall. First waterfall here in the national park, check. She loves the baby pigs, the piglets. They're so adorable. I'm not eating pork belly again. Piglets. We're just walking through the local village here in the park. There's a community of people that live here and just checking out their houses, seeing how they live. Super simple, very basic. They have a lot of animals. We've seen a lot of pigs, chicken, just living off the land in nature, deep in the mountains. And the people look pretty happy. These pigs are kind of cute, but knowing they'll end up being food one day, it does definitely make me think about being vegetarian.
The people living here have few possessions, yet there's a noticeable peace and happiness in their way of living. It makes me wonder, what's their secret? Everywhere I've traveled, it seems those with less are often the happiest. Is it the simple lifestyle, their connection with nature, or knowing what really matters in life that makes them so content?
I am almost at the highest spot in Thailand. How do I know it's almost the highest spot in Thailand? Look at the sign behind me here. It's been a long journey, but we made it to the highest point in Thailand. It's a little bit cold up here.
As we wrap up our journey, I've realized something powerful. We're all meant to live together in harmony, just like in the beginning. But along the way, with all our progress, we've lost that precious connection with nature and animals. Living in a big city, it's too easy to forget about the wild world out there, the one some only see on TV. But I've experienced it firsthand and it's changed me. Did you know that our beautiful nature and amazing animals are disappearing because of how we live and grow? It's true, and here's the thing, you can help right now. You might not see the immediate impact, but every little bit counts. We can all show a little more love and care for our planet and its creatures, just like we would for a neighbor who needs us. We have a big job to care for our Earth. It starts with simple things. Use less, save water, pick products that are kind to the environment, and think about how what you do affects the world. So until next time, let's keep fighting the good fight for our planet, for the animals, and for each other.